Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you a fun Halloween pumpkin topper. This is my second Halloween pumpkin topper. If you have not seen the first one, I'll link that tutorial below in the description box for you. For this DIY, I picked up my large pumpkin. It's plastic and it does light up, and it was $19.98 at Lowe's. I shared last night a Lowe's Halloween shop with me video, so if you'd like to see more choices that Lowe's has out right now, you can, I can link that video for you in the description box too for you. That way it'll make it easier for you. You're going to need a witch hat headband, some ribbon with wire for a bow, and you're going to need some foam, and you're going to need some Halloween picks from Dollar Tree. And I didn't use those cute little ghost stickers, but they are really cute. Walmart also has some really cute plastic pumpkins for about the same price. So first you're just going to take your foam, and mine came from Dollar Tree. It comes in a 2-pack, so you're just going to take your foam, and I just cut out the center of it. And then you're also going to need some kind of drapey, longer, wispy pieces, These are in the fall section at Dollar Tree. I also used some of the berry picks from Dollar Tree in the fall section. And you're just going to take your fall picks, and you're just going to cut them into shorter pieces, add a little hot glue to the end, and then just push it into your foam. For this Halloween pumpkin topper, I am letting this fall pick be like her hair is hanging down on the left and the right. Now right now I'm focusing more on the left side of the foam because I'm going to place the hat more on the right side, and then I'll add some of the drapey pieces to the right side too, but I wanted to go ahead and work on the left side first. This is very simple to make, so you're just going to take those pieces that are long and wispy, cut them into shorter pieces, add a little hot glue to the end, and then push them into the edge of the foam. And like I said, I'm working on the left side first because I'm going to hot glue the witch's hat onto the more of the right side, but kind of center it up too. If you have some of the white foam still showing at the end, then you can always go back with some of the leaves and hot glue them onto the edge to cover up the foam. Next, I took the foam and I added a bunch of Gorilla Glue, hot glue, and hot glued the foam topper on top of the pumpkin. Just held it for a long time, let it have time to dry. Next, I removed the witch hat, the headband off of it, and then just added a bunch of hot glue to the center of the witch hat and placed it on top of the foam and held it for a long time and let it have time to dry. And now I'm going around the edge and just filling in with some roses from Dollar Tree and some leaves, and then I added some spiders and a few cute things like that from Dollar Tree, and then I also added a bow. I wanted to do a big beautiful bow, but with the witch hat it just took up a little too much of the room, so I just did a simple small single bow. I didn't let out a very long tail at all for this little bow. This is 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire, so I just let out a little tail, and then I just took a zip tie and wrapped the zip tie around the center of the bow and then dovetailed the ends, and then I did thread a piece of floral wire underneath the zip tie to attach it to the foam just below the witch hat. The first Halloween pumpkin topper tutorial that I added, I did a huge beautiful bow using 3 different colors of ribbon. You do not have to do this for Halloween. You can do it with beautiful fall floral picks and just make a beautiful fall pumpkin topper. And here's how she looks with her little bow now, and we did add some more hair on the right side. So you'll have to let me know what you think of my little witch pumpkin. I think she turned out super cute, and I hope you do too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching.